guys, this is Keshika, your spiritual guide and tarot reader, and this is our channel Amethyst Awakening. This week, instead of the beer series video, I have worked on this video and I'm going to be launching this one because it's a special request from one of our subscribers, Harshit, and he wanted me to do a reading on the Lionsgate portal, which is ending today. It's at the peak on the 8th of August, but the 12th of August is the last day of the portal. Okay, and the Red Jasper told to emphasize that we'll be grounding everything after this. Or today is like the day we ground all our realizations from the portal, basically. And we also have a candle that's helping us with the reading, or that's going to be with us today, which is a gift from a subscriber, Hina Thakkar, and thank you, Hina, for all the House of Aroma gifts and goodies, and we'll be using them in our videos and you'll be seeing them one by one, I guess. So yeah, now we have 3 piles today. We have pile number 1, which is the Red Jasper, pile number 2, which is the Pyrite, and pile number 3, which is the Rose Quartz. Okay, now today's reading is a little different. So you all know, or if you don't, then I'll just tell you. So from the 26th of July to the 12th of August, the Lionsgate portal was active. This was a very ripe time to actually have a lot of realizations, and on the 8th of August was the peak of the portal, and during this time the difference between the spiritual realm and the physical realm is very narrow, or like almost not there, and it's almost the same. So any manifestations you make, any intentions you set, anything you do, they're just like easier and more fluent communication and just exchange of energies in general. Okay, because of a lot of astrological reasons, which I'm not going to get into right now because we're focusing on the reading. Cool. So in this reading, we are going to look at what realizations your twin flame, your partner, your crush, your soulmate had about your connection during the Lionsgate portal, or what realizations they had about themselves that would impact your connection. So we are going to be looking at the realizations that they have, because most of our shifts, and the Lionsgate portal can bring physical shifts for a lot of people, but most of us experience energetic shifts, if not physical, and these energetic shifts then show up in our life in the form of physical shifts. So today we're going to look at what realizations or energetic shifts your person has, whether this is a twin flame, whether this is a crush, whether this is your partner, your spouse, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whatever. Okay, some romantic interest, their realizations about the connection, or their individual realizations that will impact the connection. We are going to mainly, I don't know what deck I'm using and if I'm going to use any tarot deck, but I'm mainly going to use like the notes from the universe oracle in this reading, and whatever other tarot oracle deck I feel like using, and intuition obviously. Cool. So just take a few minutes, close your eyes. In the meanwhile, I just felt like hit the notification bell so you know when the next video is up. But for this video, just like close your eyes and see what stone is drawing you, what stone you like, and pick a pile. So let's do it. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Think of your person. So I think you should have made your selection by now, and I'm going to begin with pile number 1. Hi, pile number 1, that is a Red Jasper pile. Let's begin with your reading. Okay, what did pile number 1's person realize, or what have their realizations been during the Lionsgate portal? they have realized that love is the reason behind everything in their life. Like, you have taught them to like love themselves so much, just how much you love them there, or how much love you have for them, and whatever love they feel, they just like, it's just so sublime, and it's just like they get lost in it. Like, they just get lost in it. They don't tell you enough how much they love you, how much they like you, how much they appreciate your presence in your life, even though you may not be present right now physically, just your presence in their life at some point of time, your energetic presence in their life, just you being you has taught them to appreciate them being them. And they just think it's really cool. They think you're really cool. They think your connection's really cool. And they could just go like, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, universe, because they're just like so glad this happened. However easy or tough your journey might have been, whatever they have gone through, they appreciate each and every second of it, because they have grown to realize and they have learned to see that everything happened in a certain way so that they could actually learn to appreciate themselves and love themselves first, and they could actually appreciate and understand your role in their life and what you mean to them. And you mean a lot. You genuinely mean a lot to them, like, your person is just gaga over you right now. They're just like, oh my god, like, they're just like so much happiness. See this thing, I love you like crazy. I don't know if you can see this, but point number one, they love your confidence. They just get so inspired by you, by the choices you make in your life. Like, you are really inspiring to them. They don't say it enough. They don't say thank you enough. They don't tell you how much they appreciate you enough. But they do. They really do. And they've realized that. They've realized that they are crazy for you and they love you like crazy. Like, your person is mad about you. Literally. Like, they think anything you do, whether like people call it wise or foolish, just like anything you do is just so out of the world, so appreciative. Like, there's always something, the reason behind you do something, is always so noble that even if it's like on paper a foolish action, the reason why you do it is so noble, so like honor worthy, that they just like respect you so much, and they just respect all of you. They just appreciate all of you. They just think that whatever you do just strikes a chord in their heart, and it gives them one more reason to love you. Anything you do gives them one more reason to love you. And they are just so grateful for you. So your person has realized how grateful they are for you, and hopefully this will translate into some expression or improved behavior or just more love in your life, and you will receive more of it because they have realized it and they are dying to show it to you. Like, they really want to show you how much they appreciate you, but they feel like how much ever they say it, how much ever they show you, whatever they do is never going to be enough. Like, you rock their world. Like, you are so good and you inspire them, and I just can't stop appreciating you, pile one, because that's what your person has realized, which is amazing. And they're gonna ground this, okay? So you're gonna see more appreciation coming your way, more expression coming your way, and soon enough, as soon as they can. I wouldn't say very soon. For some of you it's going to be soon, for the others it's going to be soon enough, but it's definitely going to reflect in your reality in some way or the other. And if you're someone who's been wanting to show them how good they are and like sides of them that they don't appreciate, they see that they actually have love to love you first, and then just loving you has made them love themselves and see themselves in a loving light, and that makes them love you more. So they love themselves, they do, and they know that. It doesn't matter if they say that to themselves or not, right? But they really love you, and they definitely want to tell you that. So I really hope this made your day in some way, because doing this reading sort of made my day, and I really hope it resonated for you. Do let me know how this fits in your situation. I would love for you to support the channel in any way you can. Please like, share and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you know when new videos are up, and just show some love to me as well and the channel. And if you're looking for a personal reading, then my email ID, Facebook and Instagram handles are mentioned in the description box below, so you can just hit me up over there and we can take it from there. I look forward to seeing you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Hi, group number 2, that is a pyrite crystal. Welcome to your reading. So I really enjoyed group number 1's reading, and I am looking forward to see what comes up for you guys. Okay. So what did group number 2's person realize during the Lionsgate portal? They have realized that they should not get so serious and they should have a little fun in life. So they've realized they need to have fun. Okay, so if you've been wondering if they still love you, they do. And if they've been wondering whether you still love them, they have realized that you do. So some of you guys might not be in communication as much as you like. They have realized that this is a love that will not die, and they're very excited. And they are hopeful that things will get better. Okay, they really hope that things will get better, because they still love you and they've realized that you still love them. Okay, but they might not exactly know how to go about the situation. If this is a little tricky, or if the situation's stuck somewhere and you guys don't know what the next step should be, then in that case they have realized that they just need to enjoy whatever the journey is, and they're gonna do that. And they have realized they need to surrender and make peace with the situation first. Only when you accept the situation as is will you be able to change it. Okay, if some of you guys are twin flames, and I just felt extra drawn to give this message to you, their realizations could also be your realizations, or their realizations could also be something you need to realize to actually ground your connection. Okay, so like, listen carefully. You don't know what word or what sentence you're waiting for to listen to, like, get that aha moment for you. But they've realized they need to surrender. Okay, they've realized they need to surrender, they need to have fun, they need to just be hopeful and appreciate the connection for what it is, and appreciate that the love is still there. The love hasn't gone. And they genuinely feel like whatever has been up, whatever is up, whatever possibly will happen in your connection, for this connection, for you, it's all worth it. Whatever happened, they understand that it sort of had to happen maybe, or even if it like didn't have to happen, it happened, and they're just like, okay, whatever, you know, let's move on with this, because there's no point dwelling in the past, firstly. And secondly, they have realized that it's just like, even if they were sad for a while, even if they had to go through some sorrow, some sacrifice, whatever, even if you were to sacrifice something or give up on something or anything of that sort, it was all totally worth it. It was like whatever discomfort was caused, whatever, it was all worth it. It was, I realize I might be saying the word whatever too much, because that's because like a lot has been up, and it's just not possible to practically state everything right now, because firstly there are a lot of you watching this reading and there are a lot of energies coming up, and individually also in your individual connections I feel like a lot has happened. But whatever has happened, your person has realized that it was worth it, because at the end of the day, whatever the drama was and that story was, everything brought them to this love, right? Like, to love that stays. And all of that showed them that this love will stay. If that had not happened, then what was the guarantee? Like, now, whatever ups and downs you've gone through, your person knows that despite the ups and downs, despite the heartbreak, the sorrow, maybe the ill words spoken, or the yelling, the ignorance, the arrogance, or whatever, absolutely anything that you all experienced that was not comfortable to experience, but you all experienced it, that was probably not a wanted experience, but you all experienced it, it was all worth it, because it showed them that this love will stay. And that is something they've realized. And I feel like that is something you might have not entirely realized, but this reading is sort of making you realize at some level, especially if you're in a twin flame connection. Just stay focused on your love in your heart, and that's something they have realized to do as well. Stay focused on their love, be hopeful, and at the same time have fun and surrender. So they've realized a couple of things, all in good spirit, but in your case, I don't really see any immediate action or movement in the 3D. It's mainly energetic, what I'm feeling the realizations are, and it might take a little longer to unfold in the 3D as compared to pile 1, for example. Now, we're not looking at timelines in this reading, but this definitely looks like something that would take time in your situation to unfold. But they've really had these amazing realizations that are going to go a long way in the relationship, and that have actually shown them that this is a relationship, or this is a connection, if not a relationship, that will stand all the tests of time, people, universe, society, whatever, any test this connection is put to. They have realized that this connection will make it through the test to the other side safe and sound, with the love staying and probably growing, in fact. So this love's not going to like reduce, it just keeps growing, or stays the same, but it's not going to reduce, it's just gonna, I feel like it's gonna, like, if not grow, stay the same, you know, that's on the vibe. And they still love you if you're not in communication. Like, this reading is not really about messages, but I feel like this message is coming very strongly. If some of you are wondering if they still love you, they do still love you, they do, and they've realized you do as well. Okay, so I really hope this reading brought you some hope and light and love in your life and in your connection, and it's given you some direction, or given you whatever clarity or whatever you were seeking to gain from this reading. I hope it's made some change and positive impact in your life. I would love if you could support the channel, and you could like, share and subscribe, and probably hit the notification bell as well, so you know when the next video is out. And stay in touch. My Instagram, email, and Facebook handles are all in the description box below in case you're looking for a private reading. And I would love to read for you, especially all the twin flames out there. I am on the journey myself, and I would love to guide you, whether you're a twin flame or not. But like twin flames, I understand how it is for you and how tough it can be, and I would love to help you, help bring the messages to you, and even the rest of you. And yeah, just because I gave a special shout out to the twin flames doesn't mean I don't love the rest of you. I do. Just saying. Okay, so please write your views, your thoughts, whatever, how it resonated in the comment section below. And if you have any other suggestions on upcoming videos, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do those as a requested video for the channel, because I just want to help you guys and bring whatever messages you guys need and whatever clarity you'll need. I try to like do those videos and bring that clarity to you. So I guess I'll see you next time then. Until then, bye bye. Hi, group number 3, the rose quartz crystal. Welcome to your reading, and we're going to dive right in. So the first realization that I am getting your person had is your person has realized this connection is a lot deeper than they expected. Okay, they are wondering about just living in this love forever. Like, they feel like anything they invest is going to give returns in this connection. If you have gone somewhere, they are confident you will come back. So for those in separation, they're confident that reunion will happen. If they have gone somewhere, they are going to come back because they are wildly in love with you. They are very attracted, very passionate, and they also have a lot of love for you. And they really feel like y'all are like, you know, old lovers. Okay, so you'll like, you'll have some past life connection, and you'll have probably been together in a lot of lifetimes, or like, you know, wanted to be together in a lot of lifetimes. Maybe this is the lifetime where you're actually realizing how deep the connection is, and you all will finally get the opportunity to be together. They really want to do it right. They don't want to mess it up this time. Okay, they feel like maybe in the past lives they are not sure if they messed it up or they didn't. Maybe in this life they messed it up till now, they don't know, but they really want to go step by step in the connection now onwards, and they realize that they want to do that because, okay, and they realize they have whatever it takes to be with you, like, and they feel like you have whatever it takes to be with them, and they're not going to be pricey anymore. So they've been like pricey, taking long to reply or anything, or they're not going to do that. If they've not been speaking to you often, they've been like, you've been like nudging them for replies or whatever, or like wanting them to open up, but they haven't opened up so far, or now they're going to start opening up their brain. So they sort of had a brain freeze, and then when they had the realization, the brain froze after that. They're like, oh, this is what it is. I love this person so much. This connection is so deep. I didn't know. For them, it's like a surprise, and they're just like, you know, wow, it's time to like party together, have fun together, meet. If they haven't been meeting you often, they really want to see you, they want to meet you. They realize that's necessity, and if they didn't show their love earlier, they will show you now, because they have realized that. You guys have the fastest movement coming in, and your person is jittery because I'm doing this, and they're excited, and they have actually realized this is not what they thought this is. This is not a fling worthy connection. This is much, much, much deeper. This is like a lifetime's connection, or even like a lifetime connection. And they were really probably underestimating the value when they were not acting rightly, and they are going to now. And they are going to invest more. Even if they have been investing, they're going to invest more and more openly, and they know they're going to get the returns, and they know it's going to like work out well if they do it right, and they want to do it right, and they want to go step by step. They're not going to rush. So it might take time, but you will see, you will see progress. You will see smooth, systematic progress. So it'll happen soon, but it won't be rushed. It's going to be systematic yet soon. And they want to meet you face to face. Okay, so however far you are, wherever you are, oh my god. So you might be getting communication very, very soon. You might be seeing them very, very soon. They're going to make plans to meet. Okay, they want to meet you. They do. So, like a proper human being, they're not going to be mean. They are not going to like treat you like some side person or time pass connection. This is serious, and they have realized this is like, even if I don't think most of you are serious, but even if some of you are, they have realized it's more serious than what you are. You know, it's deeper, and they just want to move to the next level, and they want to see you more often, and they want to meet you often. They want to speak to you. They want to be holy and patient and all nice around you, and they want you to speak to the highest within them and trust that they will understand your side of the situation, and they also trust that you will understand their side of the situation, and they are gonna speak to you and come forward expecting the best. Like, they genuinely expect the best now. And yeah, you'll be surprised. But whatever you have been wishing for, group number 3, it looks like it's coming your way. It is. And that's a message I think they sent you through this realization reading. I really hope this helped you guys, and please, please, please support the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when the other videos are out. Please watch the videos that you're interested in or that intrigue you, and share them with your friends and family or those it might help. Comment below, let me know how this fits in your situation and if this resonates. And if you have any other recommendation for an upcoming video, I would love to do those videos for you guys. At least I will try. And okay, they're saying something else. And in the meanwhile, just remember, they love you like crazy. Don't brush this reading off. They're saying, please don't forget about them. If they've not messaged you for a while, they hope you've not forgotten about them, because they're going to message you very soon. And yeah, like, you'll be surprised. They're planning a surprise. They might surprise you, or you'll be surprised by their actions. But there's going to be like, you'll see surprising change or significant change. And I'm feeling very itchy in my nose, and I see that as a communication thing. So communication, or like whatever, one level up in terms of your contact with the person is going to increase. So let me know what happens, and let me know what your current situation is. If you're looking for a private reading and you would like to look at your situation in depth, I would love to do that for you. My Instagram, Facebook and email ID are in the description box below. Please hit me up over there, reach out, and I would be happy to get in touch with you, and we can take it from there. So I look forward to seeing you soon in an upcoming video, or just speaking to you soon somewhere in the comments or wherever. Basically, I just look forward to connecting with you. And until next time, bye bye.